Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Amazon Prime Video on your Samsung Smart TV. Let's get started. Step 1. Turn on your Samsung Smart TV. First, make sure your Samsung Smart TV is turned on and connected to the internet. You can do this by pressing the power button on your remote. Now using your remote, press the home button to bring up the Smart Hub. From here, navigate to the apps menu by using the directional pad on your remote. Now, in the apps menu, you can find Amazon Prime Video either in the featured apps or by using the search function. If it's not visible, use the search bar and type in Amazon Prime Video. Once you've located the Amazon Prime Video app, select it and press the enter button on your remote to open it. When you open the app, you'll be prompted to sign in. You have two options: sign in directly on your TV or use a web browser on your computer or mobile device. To sign in directly on your TV, use the on-screen keyboard to enter your Amazon account email and password. Once you've entered your details, navigate to sign in and press enter. Alternatively, you can sign in using a web browser. On your TV, you'll see a code displayed. Go to the web browser address shown on the screen, which is www.amazon.com/mytv on your computer or mobile device. Log into your Amazon account if prompted, then enter the code displayed on your TV screen into the web page. This will link your Amazon account on your Samsung TV. After signing in, you'll have access to all the content on Amazon Prime Video. And that's it. Now you can enjoy Amazon Prime Video on your Samsung Smart TV.